Guys, today in this video we are going to study following topics in a decimal numbers. The first topic will be addition of a decimal numbers. Then in addition we will study what is the meaning of like decimal and unlike decimal and how to convert a unlike decimal into a like decimal, and also study what is a meaning of decimal places in a decimal number. Then we will study how to make a subtraction of decimal numbers and multiplication of decimal numbers and division of decimal numbers. Guys, hope you have already watched my earlier YouTube video based on daily life uses of decimal numbers and various terms used in decimal numbers with a definition. If you have not yet watched that video, request to watch first that video, then start to watch this video. The link of that YouTube video which I have earlier uploaded is given in description box. Now we start with addition of a decimal number. Addition. First we see addition here. Okay. Now somebody has given you 3.2 addition 4.5. How could you make the addition of a decimal number? You have to line up the all digit like this. Okay, here you can see dot is coming on a same column. See, this is 3 and 4. Okay, this is one column, this one is also one column, this is also a one column. Now see the addition. This one is a 2 plus 5 7. Then this is a point here. Okay, then this is 7 here. Hence answer is 7.7. Now guys, suppose somebody has given you to make addition of, okay, then how could you make this addition? Here you have to know what is the definition of a like decimal. Okay, see, after the dot the digits are called decimal places. Now see this one. Okay, so this one has a decimal places 3. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Okay guys, so decimal places for this decimal number is 3. Like decimal means same number of decimal places, unlike decimal means not equal number of decimal places. Okay, in our example here 3.2 has a 1 decimal places, or this one has a 3 decimal places. Okay, decimal places here. Okay guys, now see, this one 1, this one 3. Okay, so this one 3.2 and 3.552 are example of unlike decimal number. Okay, so for addition, what shall have to do? Okay, now for addition, now guys, we shall make these two decimal number into like decimals. So how we will make? See here, 3.2 here, and this one is a 3.552. So we will put 2 zeros here. Okay, so now count. There are 3 decimal places in first number, and there are also 3 decimal places in second number. Now it is easy to make an addition. So this one is a 2, this one is 5, this one is 7, this one is a 6 guys. Okay, see, and another example, suppose this one is a 1 decimal number. You have to add this number. Okay, so this is 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This one is 1. Now carry is 1. So you write here carry 1. Then 1 plus 3 equal to 4. And this one is 8. Okay, so this is a final answer for this question. So this is question number here 3, or this one is a question number 2 here, or this one is a question number 1 here. Now guys, we will go ahead with a subtraction of a decimal number. Okay, subtraction of decimal number. Now suppose you have a given 2 number like this. So how could you make subtraction? Okay, solution of this question is 83.2, then 7.8. What we have to remember, the dot must be come in a same column. 2 is less than 8, then 3 will give a 1 carry to 2, then 2 becomes a 12. Okay, then it is equal to here 4. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Now this is becomes 2. 2 is also less than 7, then it will give 1 carry, then 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 7 equal to 5, and already the 8 has given 1 carry to 3, then this is becomes 7. So solution is this one. Okay guys, now see another example. Suppose this one is a first example. Now this one is a second example. Suppose 0.1254 and this one is a 0.32. Now how could you subtract? You write 0.1254. Now write 0.032. Okay, and now subtract. See, these two decimals numbers are not an example of a like decimals. These are examples of a unlike decimal. So how we convert it in like decimals? You have to put 1 0 here. Okay, now there are 4 decimal places here, and in this number also there are 4 decimal places. Okay, now subtract. 4 minus 0 equal to 4, then 5 minus 2, this is 3, then now 2 is less than 3, 1 will give a carry to 2. Okay guys, then this is becomes 12. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Now when 1 will give a carry, it becomes a 0. Okay guys, now solution is 0.0934. Now see multiplication of decimal number. Okay, suppose question number 1, 4.2 multiplication 4. Okay, so what you have to do in multiplication, just write without a decimal number. Okay, like this, then this is becomes a 816. Okay guys, now so we write here 168. Now see how many decimal part here. Okay, so here is only 1. So what we will do, we counting from right and go in left direction and put dot before 8. Okay, because here decimal part is only 1 here. Okay, the answer is 16.8. Now for more clarity, see another example here. Suppose somebody has given you this multiplication. Okay, now first we write here 4 2 3 2, then we write 3 2 7 here, then simple multiplication. Okay, 2 7 ja 14, 21 plus 1 22, 14 plus 2 16, 28 plus 1 29. Now we multiply by 2. So one extreme right we have left here, then right here 2 2s are 4, then 6, then 4, then 8. Okay guys, now start with multiplication with a 3, then this is 6 9, then 6, then 12. Write down, make all addition here. Okay, now this is equal to 4 6 18, this one is a 23, this one is equal to 18, this is equal to 3, this one is equal to 1. So final answer is 1383864. So we write here 1383864. Now so this one is a simple multiplication of a whole number, but in our question there are two decimal place in first one decimal number, or in second decimal number also 2. So 2 for this one and 2 for also this one. Okay, so what we will do, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, now starting from extreme right 1 2 3 4, and now we put a dot before a 3. Okay, so now this solution has also 4 decimal places. Okay guys, this is a final answer. Now guys, we will see next division of a decimal number. Division of decimal number. Guys, see 1 by 10 or 1/10. Okay guys, in book the answer is just simply written 0.1. How it will 0.1, I will show here. See, this is 10 or this one is 1 here. Okay, I know you know the division rule. Okay guys, so see, 1 is less than 10 here. So what we will do here, we will put a 0 here. For 0 we will put 1 dot here. Okay, next 10 1 ja 10, so we write here 10. So when 10 minus 10, this is becomes a 0. However, this is not a correct way of writing. What we have missing here, you have to put a 0 before this dot. So answer is 0.1. Okay, other example, 1 by 100th. Okay, so see, we write here 100, then 1, then 1 is less than 100, so we will put here 0. For this 0 we will put first a dot, and before dot we will put 0. Now this 10 is also less than 100, so put again 1 0 here, so put 1 0. Now 100 1 ja 100, so this is equal to 100, or we will put here 1. Now this is equal to this one. Okay, now see the third one. Okay guys, see 1001, so we will see 1 is less than 1000, so put 0. For this 0 we will put 1 dot. Okay, then now 10 is also less than 1000, so put 1 0 here, again put 0 here. Even though 100 is less than 1000, so we will put 0 here, we will put 1 0. Now see, 1000 multiplied by 1 1000, so put here 1, or this is equal to 1000. So now answer is this one, or in examination question is 1000. Okay guys, now in such way, see, 1 by 10 equal to 0.1, 1 by 100 equal to 0.01, 1 by 1000 equal to 0.001. What you see here, see, if the number is 1 here, okay, or 10 is in denominator, so just you will put dot before 1. Okay, because there is only 1 0 here. Suppose here there are 2 zeros. What is the solution? You just write 1, then there are 2 zeros, so put 1 0, then 0. Okay, suppose for this one. Okay, how to remember? Just here are 3 zeros, so it means there are 3 decimal places in the answer. Okay, because in numerator is a 1, so first write here 1, so 1 0 here, 1 0 here. Now there are 3 decimal places. Okay, so solution is this one. Suppose somebody has given 4 by 10, then just you write here 4 and 1 0, so decimal places will be 1. If suppose there are this number, okay, 4, so how many zeros are here? 1 2 3 4, so there are 4 decimal places, so put a dot here, then write here 1 0 2 0 3 0, then 4. Now there are 4 decimal places here guys. Okay, now see some more example. Suppose a question is this one. Okay, so what will be the solution? So you write here 45, then 10, then 10 4 ja 40, which is less than 45, then 4, 40, this is becomes 0.5. Okay, then 5 is less than 10. Now put one dot here, put here 0. Now this is 5. Then now suppose this one is like this. Okay, so how could you make solution? 100. Then this 45 is less than 100, so put here 0. Then for this 0 you put one dot here. Now 100 for the 400, which is less than 450. Okay, then it is 50. Now put 10 for, then 100 5 ja 500. Okay, so this one is a 45. Okay, now we subtract this one. So this one is 4.5. This one is equal to 0.445. This one is the first question. This one is the second. This is the one a third. 45 divided by 1000. Okay guys, so solution will be 45 1000. Now see, this one is a less than 45 is less than 1000. Put 10, put dot here. Okay, for this one. Now again this 450 is less than 1000. Put 0. This is 0 here. Now this is becomes a 4000. Okay, how I have written 4000? Because 1000 multiplied by 4 equal to 4000. I cannot multiply by 5 because 5000 greater than 4500. Okay, now this is becomes a this one, and now when put 10, then 1000 into 5, then this becomes a 5000. Okay, so answer is for this one is a 0.045. So guys, what you conclude here? See, this is 45 by 10 is equal to 4.5 and 45 by 100 equal to 0.45 or 45 by 1000 equal to 0.045. Now see, what is the logic here work? Okay, for this one 10, the answer has one decimal places. For 100 there are two decimal places. So what you have to do? Okay, move from right to left 2 digit and put one dot. 5 4, then dot. For this one, move from right to left. 5 4 2, then again we put a 0, then again dot, because here is a 3 zeros, so answer must have a 3 decimal places. Okay guys, now see another example. 3.2 divided by 4. Okay guys, so you will make solution like this. Okay, what you have to do, simply write these numbers in whole number form. 3.2 equal to 32 and 4 is equal to 4, 9. Now 4 8 is a 32, then 8, then this is 32, subtract, this is 0. See guys, this one has a 1 decimal places or this one has a 0 decimal places. So what you have to do, 0 minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1. Okay, so what you have to do when the negative sign is appear, so you have to move right to left and put a dot before this number. See, here is only 1. Okay, negative number, so just 8 is a quotient here, so you have to move right to left 1, then put a dot. Okay guys, in another way you can also make the solution. 3.2 divided by 4.0. Okay, so you could write this one 3.2 4.0. if you want to convert this 3.2 in a whole digit, so you have to multiply by 10, or this one also multiply by 10, because 10 by 10 equal to 1. Now see, this is becomes a 32, or this is becomes a 40. Okay, now you know guys, 4 10 ja 40, or this is equal to 8. Now this is 8 by 10. See guys, what we conclude here. Okay, you have to make the denominator power of 10. Okay, so here see guys, there is only 1 0, so decimal parts equal to only 1, so solution is this one. Okay guys, now see another example. Okay guys, suppose somebody has given you 3.2 divided by 0.04, then how could you make it? Okay, so just write a whole number parts. For division, this is 8, this is 32, then this is a 0. See, 3.2 has a 1 decimal place. Okay, now this 0.04 has a 2 decimal places. Okay, now what you have to do, the denominator part has 2, so you have to subtract 2 minus 1, so this is becomes 1. See, 1 is here a positive sign. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do here 8 into 10. Okay, so answer of this question is 80. In negative cases, what you have to do, 8 by 10. Okay, in case of positive cases, you have to multiply by 10. Okay, to quotient. Now see another example. Question is 32.175 divided by 2.5. Okay, you can write in another way like this. Okay, or what will be the solution of this decimal number division? Okay, just we will write the first numerator number in whole number. Okay, and then at the end of this solution we will use the decimal places given in a question. See how to make a solution. Okay guys, here dividend is 32175 and divisor is 25. 25 1 ja 25, so we write here 25 here in quotient 1. Why? Because 25 is less than 32. Okay, if you will take 2 in quotient, then it becomes a 50. 25 2 is a 50 and it is greater than 32. So you cannot write here at the place of 25 50. Okay, subtract this one. This is equal to 07. Now you know 1 will come here, then 25 2 is a 50. Okay guys, then it is 21. Okay, now next 7 will come here. Okay, then 25 8 is a 200. Okay guys, this is equivalent to 17. When you subtract 200 from 217, then this is equivalent to 17. Now last digit is 5, so we will put here. Okay, 25 7 ja 175. Now subtract this one, you will get like this one. See guys, our quotient is equal to a 1283. 7 and 1286. Till now I have not used the decimal places. So in numerator decimal places, here I write down 32.17 has 3 decimal places. Decimal places means what? The number of digit after the dot point. Okay, this is this one. Okay, or you can say right of this dot point. Okay guys, now see for 2.5, guys, for decimal places for this decimal number equal to 1. Okay, decimal place. Okay guys, now what you have to do, you have to remember this formula. Okay guys, number of decimal places in denominator minus number of decimal places in numerator. See, in denominator decimal place is 1, then you have to subtract this one from numerator decimal places. So in for this question, this is equal to 3 here. Okay, so when you subtract this one, this is becomes minus 2. Okay guys, now what does it mean? Okay, when you will get a negative sign, okay, then you have to make a multiplication of 1 by 10 to quotient. Okay, but in this case here negative sign is 2, so you have to make multiplication of 1 by 10 twice. Okay, so this is equivalent to 1 by 100. Okay, if the negative sign is minus 1 only, then you have to make multiplication of quotient 1 by 10 only guys. Okay, now this is the case for a negative sign. Suppose if you get a positive sign, then what will you do? So at that time you have to multiply by 10. Okay, it depends upon how many positive whole number are coming in this formula. Okay, suppose if this will come plus 3, then you have to multiply 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10, then this is equivalent to 1000. Okay guys, now for our question here, okay, see guys, our quotient is 1287 here. Okay, now here negative sign is minus 2, so you have to multiply this number by 1 by 10 twice here. Okay, this is equivalent to 1287 by 100. Okay guys, or you can see here this number can be written as a 10 to power of 2 also. Okay, here power of 10 is 2, so what you conclude? Okay, so you have to move right to left from extreme right of this number. Okay guys, now here when we move right to left 2 digits, then what will come? Okay, first will a 7, second is 8, then you have to stop here and then put a 1 dot here. Okay, then the final solution of this fractional number division is 12.87. Okay guys, hope guys you have enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friend and family so they can also get benefit from this channel. Thank you.